You know, it'd be a nice, quiet night. Sure would. And I like quiet nights. It would be very quiet, but the guy just to the right of me is idle. It's like 60-something degrees, and he's idling. Hadn't been idling all night. He turned it off a few times. Every time you go inside to use the bathroom, you turn it off. But then he went back in there and start idling. I'm the type of person who enjoys the peace and quiet, especially when it's time to put it down for the night. Oh well, listen to this guy's. He's like the only guy in this parking lot who's idle. Oh well. Well, good morning, everybody. Did you sleep well? I slept well. I know it was just only a couple seconds since I last left you, but it was like 8 hours since. Anyways, the guy to the next to me left, and the other guy to the other side of me left too. I climbed back here in the sleeper last night, and I turned on the. Oh, that didn't sound good. I turned on the motor last night because I climbed back here in the sleeper. Because I climbed back here, it was warm for Big Ike to sleep. It's got to be kind of a little bit chill, so I turned on the motor and went to sleep, and then halfway through the night I turned it off. And both guys on each side of me left. And I say both guys, I complained about one guy, but when I climbed back here and tried to sleep with the engine off, the vents open, I had all this cigarette smoke coming into the truck. Anyone who knows me knows I'm not a big smoker. I don't smoke, and I really don't enjoy the smell of smoke, especially when I'm trying to sleep. So anyways, it's Friday morning, and I'm fixing to get to where I'm putting on my shoes and stuff, and I'm fixing to take you outside to check the lights and bump the tires. It's a nice, pretty morning this morning. All the beer trucks are unloading. I'll show you here in a minute after we do this little walk around here. Just checking my lights here, bumping my tires. Noticed this thing last night. I guess it hit a bump. Just had it hanging out there. Hopefully, I'll probably hit another bump. It'll come out. Just like it was last night, basically. Never know when someone's going to screw something up. You always got to do your walk around. And I'm not talking to the veteran drivers. I'm talking about the drivers who have not come out here yet. It's called a pre-trip inspection. And just cover your butt, man. I mean, yeah, you got to do it legally, but I mean, even if it was optional, still do it, you know. Hey, look at here, y'all. Look at this. I don't know if you can tell. lot of beer. I'll cut this thing off. I don't need it right now. It's a lot of beer, man. Came in here yesterday. Of course, this is one of my favorite little eating places here. This little gas station has the best burgers. That's correct. Has the best. Has the best burgers. Tell you, I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know what it is. They pat them out right there in front of you. I'm in Nacogdoches, Texas. This place called Morgan Oil. And it's right off like the Loop and Stallings. But this place sells more beer than, I don't know. I mean, I come in here yesterday. I guess people getting off work, and there's just so many people getting beer. You know? Me, well, I'd be having a lot of Dr. Pepper, which, by the way, I'll sit you down right here. Turn up on my radio. My morning Dr. Pepper. A lot of you people drink coffee in the morning, and that's cool. But I drink Dr. Pepper. Man, there's nothing like a Dr. Pepper in the morning. You know, it really isn't. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of this load with y'all. How about that? Just like that, I'm here. First drop here. Nacogdoches, which is just about 2 miles down the road from where I was at. It is, let's see if I can zoom in here, 6:33. They don't start receiving until 7 o'clock. That's right. So, I'm on to start cleaning my windows here for a little bit. Get them nice and clean, get the dust off. Open up the doors and back in the dock, hopefully be about 7 by then. Okay. After here, I go to Lufkin. Lufkin, 2 in Conroe, 1 in Tomball, and then the other one is in Cypress. So basically north of the Houston area. Okay. All right. Yes. I am at Lowe's in Conroe, Texas. One of them. And my focus dinner out. Hang on, there we go. Get out of here. Have to turn around. I thought this store was pretty neat. I've been coming here for a few years now, and the thing about this cool about this store is the cops back here. You can't see them, but they drive or they ride around on horses. This is a shopping area out here and everything, Walmart, Lowe's and stuff, and they walk around on horses, and they stop behind the store out here to water the horses, eat and whatever. So I thought that was pretty neat. Anyways, I'm done. I'm about 3 drops in. And if I say I'm done with this job. About halfway done. So what's up? not trying to brag, but sometimes I have to say I'm good. Anyways, I'm gonna go see about going to the house. So, y'all take care out there, and thanks for watching. We'll have something a little bit more productive next video. What do you say? 73.